Hey guys, before you get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hey guys, Lego Level 27 Bets here. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna show you how to edit thumbnail in this video. So edit thumbnail is like the thing that's on the video that shows when you're like browsing stuff, that shows at the beginning what it is. So first you need to go to the App Store. Click on the App Store, and then you go to settings, and then you type in YouTube Studio, which you can just look through right here, and bam, YouTube Studio. So then you go there. This is YouTube Studio. Look at it. There we go. And then you go to open up YouTube Studio, and you go to one of the videos, which you can just look, which is right here now. Let's just add this video. There we go. Now then you hit the go back. You hit the pencil button on there, and then you go in, and then you hit thumbnail. I mean, it's kind of obvious. And then when you hit that, there's different thumbnails you can choose, like that. And there's custom thumbnails, but I'm not gonna hit that because well, I don't want to show you my photos. But anyway, so you choose one. So I'm going to choose that one. Then you go back, and then you hit save. Yeah, save, saving, boom. Then that's all. So then you just hit go back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe.